Hi, Maddie. Let's read our book together today. Madi Tractor. Maddie's farm animals. Rise and shine, farm friends. There's a lot of work to do on this busy farm. Find the tractors. First, what's in here? Breakfast for the chickens! Yay! Maddie's having breakfast for the chickens. Turn our page. Next, the tractor hauls the wood and tools to the pasture. Oh, I see some sheep. What are we gonna find? They're mending a broken fence so this flock will be safe. Yay!
And a basket.
In her basket. Okay. Perfect. Oh no, little calf wandered too far from home. Oh no. The tractor will help him bring him back to your mama. The tractor brought him back to mama.
Yeah. He's got boo-boo.
Yeah. Now the tractor helps dig. Whoa, is that a big digger?
And a butt.
Even a new pond for ducks to enjoy
Quack, quack.
your swim with the friends. Oh, that's so perfect. Gaga loves Maddie. The tractor brings fresh straw to the barn. Who's he gonna feed? For the new baby's bed to welcome the foal to the farm. Is that a baby horse?
Nay.
Nay, we're helping the baby horse. Wow. Okay. What a busy day on the farm. Good night, farm friends. Good night, all my farm friends. Good night, Maddie. Gaga love you.